what's in there?
Black & Decker.
A bread maker.
Bread maker.
A toaster.
A toaster. Oh, this is a big toaster. You're going to toast everything for the neighborhood.
Yeah, Mom, I'm not actually this big. I'm smaller than this.
Cool.
It's actually a bread maker?
It's actually a bread maker.
A gigantic one. How much was it, Dad?
Now we're going to have to figure out how to make bread.
That's why you have a bread maker. It does it for you.
Now
Dad,
we have to find some place to store it.
how much was it? Okay.
More than $1.
Of course.
Surprise!
Zach, you want to help?
Sure.
I'll pull this up. You pull the box down. Yeah, you have a bread maker. Cool.
I can barely see.
It's good use of that stuff.
Mom. I can barely see it now. Brittany. It's a bread maker. Who wants one?
Cool. I guess we get to make bread today.
Are you taking a video of this thing? It smells weird.
Yep.
Smells new.
I use my shoulders.
Cool. Thank you. No, thank you. I'm good.
Do I want one?
Sure. I'll take one of them. Thank you.
There's a red one. Just throw it on my